Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. Yeah, it's being reported in the Diamond League, baby, that Shericka Jackson has beaten Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a breaking news. Greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafarian Soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, and we're going to have a great relationship. I'm talking about the beast out the east, the new sprint sensation, Shericka Jackson. Ladies and gentlemen, she has beaten the world 5-time sprint champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, ladies and gentlemen, and she has done it in stellar performance. The world champion 200-meter winner Shericka Jackson secured victory over 5-time world 100-meter champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce in the world women's 100-meter at the Diamond League meet in Brussels. Jackson clocked 10.73 here number for winning. Fraser-Pryce clocked 10.74 for second place, with Marita Lou of the Ivory Coast clocking at 10.78. Fraser-Pryce made her run at the track after her hamstring issue caused her to withdraw from the Diamond League meet in Lausanne on Friday. Both Jackson and Fraser-Pryce was already secure their place in the next week Diamond League final in Zurich. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I love how this girl runs. I love what Shelly-Ann has been doing with her, helping her secure a faster time in the 100-meter, because as you see, that seems to be what's going on. May have the race right here, let you get a taste. Big up yourself. From the best, a more life and a more joy. It's Diamond League, baby. This one is Shericka Jackson taking down the 5-time world champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce in 100-meter. Unbelievable. It's Diamond League, baby. And you're tuning to Deep Roots TV. It's Rastafarian Soldier, people. Hit that red subscribe button. Leave your comment. Here is the call. Rastafari Soldier is here on the line, you know what I'm saying? And you have the world champion 100-meter runner. Here you go. And as you know, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce step out in on the block early. And here is Shericka with her long leg, them chopping her down. Shelly-Ann lean. Whoa, Shericka got her. Yeah, I saw it go, family and friends. Shelly-Ann lean at the end. One thing me love with her. Why, that girl, they have effort. Look upon her natural beauty. You all gone tea. She's a real cutie. Make me know if soldier I tell the choti. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm reporting live. The world 5-time 100-meter world champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has been defeated by her countrywoman. Yeah, Shericka Jackson. Yeah, the 200-meter champion. Hey, listen to me. It's gonna be a battle royal for the next Olympic, ladies and gentlemen. The torch is going to be passed. I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV here, reporting live that Shericka Jackson has defeated the 5-time 5-time world 100-meter champion. Yeah, I'm talking about Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Hit that red subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. I'm more life and I'm more joy and I'm more happiness.
Hello, my name is Ashina.
I'm Rastafari Soldier, reporting
live. TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the air every time.
More life, more joy. Yeah, you know it's more happiness, people.